A new era of hunting rifles has arrived, and the throne is up for grabs. Built with cutting-edge materials, modern accuracy standards, and real-world hunter feedback, these rifles are redefining what best truly means. In this video, we reveal the 10 new kings of hunting rifles, models dominating the market with performance, reliability, and innovation. If you're wondering which rifles now rule the hunting world, this countdown has the answers. Number 10. Sako S20 Hunter is a premium, modern bolt-action hunting rifle from Finland that blends traditional hunting performance with a modular, forward-thinking design. Built around a strong 3-lug bolt with a short 60-degree lift, a cold hammer-forged barrel, and a rigid aluminum chassis that enhances consistency and accuracy across a wide range of calibers, including 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 30-06, and Magnum options. Its pros include excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, often hovering around or below 1 MOA, superb build quality and materials typical of Sako, a highly adjustable stock with customizable length of pull and cheek height for perfect fit, smooth and reliable feeding from detachable magazines, and excellent recoil control that helps with follow-up shots, while its cons include a heavier overall weight compared to traditional lightweight hunting rifles, a modern tactical appearance that may not appeal to classic hunters, limited aftermarket compared to more common platforms, and a premium cost that puts it out of reach for some buyers. Yet despite these drawbacks, the S20 Hunter excels as a versatile, do-everything rifle that performs equally well in the mountains, at long distances, or from a blind. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from about $1,500 to $2,500, with certain configurations or regions pushing beyond that, firmly positioning the Sako S20 Hunter as a high-end hunting rifle for shooters who value precision, adaptability, and refined engineering over minimal weight or budget pricing. Number 9. Bergara B14 Hunter is a well-regarded bolt-action hunting rifle built on Bergara's precision-oriented platform, featuring a smooth 3-lug bolt, a quality Bergara barrel known for consistent accuracy, and a comfortable, ergonomic stock that makes it a strong choice for hunters who want true, out-of-the-box performance without heavy customization. Its pros include excellent intrinsic accuracy, often reaching near or under 1 MOA with quality ammunition, a smooth and reliable bolt action that feeds and extracts consistently, a comfortable and well-balanced stock with good ergonomics for long days in the field, solid recoil control, and quality manufacturing that reflects Bergara's reputation among precision shooters, while its cons include a slightly heavier weight compared to ultralight hunting rifles, a factory trigger that many users choose to refine or upgrade, limited aftermarket parts compared to more ubiquitous platforms, and a price that sits above entry-level hunting rifles. Yet despite these drawbacks, the B14 Hunter stands out for combining precision and real-world hunting practicality in one package. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $900 to $1,500, depending on caliber, stock finish, and regional availability, making the Bergara B14 Hunter a compelling choice for hunters who want refined accuracy, dependable performance, and comfortable handling in a bolt-action rifle. Number 8. Winchester XPR is a modern, value-focused, bolt-action hunting rifle built to deliver solid accuracy and dependable performance without driving up the price. It features a strong 3-lug bolt with a short 60-degree lift for fast, smooth cycling, a button-rifled barrel for consistent precision, and a detachable box magazine that makes loading and unloading easy in the field. Among its biggest strengths are excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, often hovering around 1 MOA with quality ammunition, a slick and quick bolt throw, lightweight handling that stays comfortable during long hunts, and a surprisingly crisp factory trigger for its class. Many models also benefit from corrosion-resistant finishes, adding durability in harsh weather. On the downside, the synthetic stock is fairly basic and lacks a premium feel. Aftermarket support is more limited compared to popular Remington 700-style actions, and some hunters find the detachable magazine a bit bulky. Fit and finish clearly favor function over refinement, but despite these compromises, the XPR routinely punches above its price point. With current prices generally falling between $450 and $700, depending on model and caliber, the Winchester XPR stands out as a reliable, no-nonsense hunting rifle for shooters who want modern features and proven accuracy without paying for extras they don't need. Number 7. Seekins Precision Havak Pro Hunter 2 is a premium, American-made bolt-action hunting rifle engineered for shooters who demand lightweight handling without sacrificing precision. Built around Seekins' smooth 3-lug bolt with a 60-degree lift, a precision-machined aluminum chassis, and a high-quality match-grade barrel that delivers excellent consistency across popular hunting calibers. Its pros include outstanding out-of-the-box accuracy, often at or below YMenmo-A, excellent weight-to-strength ratio that makes it comfortable for mountain or long backcountry hunts, superb machining and fit typical of Seekins precision, an adjustable trigger with a clean break, reliable detachable magazine feeding, and excellent recoil management for quick follow-up shots, while its cons include a high price point compared to mainstream hunting rifles, limited availability due to lower production volumes, a modern chassis-style appearance that may not appeal to traditional woodstock hunters, and fewer aftermarket stock options because it's already a purpose-built system. Yet, despite these considerations, the Havak Pro Hunter 2 excels as a refined, high-performance rifle designed for serious hunters who prioritize precision, durability, and lightweight efficiency. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from about $1,900 25 kilos depending on caliber and configuration, firmly positioning the Seekins Precision Havak Pro Hunter 2 as a top-tier hunting rifle that blends precision rifle performance with true field-ready practicality. Number 6. Weatherby Vanguard is a well-respected bolt-action hunting rifle known for its reliability, accuracy, and excellent value, built on a strong two-lug action manufactured by Howa in Japan and paired with a cold hammer-forged barrel that contributes to consistent performance across a wide range of hunting calibers. Its pros include very good out-of-the-box accuracy, often guaranteed at 1 MOA in Series 2 models, smooth and reliable bolt operation, a solid and durable action capable of handling Magnum cartridges, good recoil management, comfortable ergonomics, and strong overall build quality for the price. While its cons include a heavier overall weight compared to ultralight hunting rifles, a factory stock on base models that can feel basic, a longer bolt lift than 3-lug designs, and less aftermarket support than the Remington 700 platform. Yet, despite these drawbacks, the Vanguard has earned a reputation as a dependable workhorse that performs consistently in real hunting conditions. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $500, $800 for standard models, and $800, $1,200 for premium or upgraded variants, making the Weatherby Vanguard one of the best value bolt-action hunting rifles available for shooters who want proven accuracy and durability without paying premium Mark V prices. Number 5. Proof Research Elevation is a premium lightweight bolt-action hunting rifle designed for serious backcountry and mountain hunters who demand extreme accuracy without excess weight. Built around a refined two-lug action paired with Proof's renowned carbon fiber-wrapped barrel that delivers excellent heat management and consistency in a remarkably light package. Its pros include outstanding accuracy, often achieving sub-MOA performance, exceptionally light overall weight that makes long hikes and steep terrain far easier, superb barrel quality with excellent longevity, smooth bolt operation, high-end fit and finish, and excellent recoil control for a rifle in this weight class. While its cons include a very high price compared to mainstream hunting rifles, limited availability due to smaller production runs, a minimalist stock that prioritizes weight savings over adjustability, and less aftermarket flexibility since it's already a purpose-built premium system. Yet despite these drawbacks, the Elevation excels as a precision hunting rifle where every ounce matters and long-range confidence is essential. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from about $2,800 to $3,800 depending on caliber and configuration, firmly positioning the Proof Research Elevation as a top-tier choice for hunters who value cutting-edge materials, lightweight performance, and elite accuracy over budget considerations. Number 4. Browning X-Bolt 2 Hunter is a refined, modern bolt-action hunting rifle that builds on the proven X-Bolt platform with improved ergonomics, updated features, and Browning's continued focus on accuracy and reliability, featuring a smooth 3-lug bolt with a short 60-degree lift, a free-floating barrel, detachable rotary magazine, and an improved trigger system designed for cleaner breaks in the field. Its pros include excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, often near or under 1 MOA with quality ammunition, very smooth bolt operation, lightweight and well-balanced handling, ideal for long hunting days, a crisp adjustable trigger, strong safety system with bolt unlock button, and high overall fit and finish typical of Browning rifles, while its cons include a higher price compared to entry-level hunting rifles, limited aftermarket support compared to Remington pattern actions, proprietary magazines that are more expensive to replace, and a design that prioritizes hunting over heavy customization. Yet despite these drawbacks, the X-Bolt 2 Hunter delivers consistent real-world performance, reliability, and comfort in a classic hunting configuration. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $750 or $1,050 depending on caliber and region, making the Browning X-Bolt 2 Hunter an excellent mid to upper tier choice for hunters who want modern features, proven accuracy, and premium build quality without stepping into full custom rifle pricing. Number 3. Tikka T3x Lite is a highly regarded lightweight bolt-action hunting rifle known for its exceptional accuracy, smooth action, and minimalist Scandinavian design, built around a precision-machined two-lug bolt with a short 70-degree lift and a cold hammer-forged barrel that delivers outstanding consistency across popular calibers, such as .243 Win, 6.58 Creedmoor, .308 Win, and .30-06. Its pros include excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, often well under 1 MOA, one of the smoothest factory bolt actions available, light overall weight that makes it ideal for mountain and long-distance hunts, a crisp adjustable trigger, and superb reliability in harsh weather conditions, while its cons include a basic synthetic stock that feels utilitarian, a detachable polymer magazine that some users dislike, limited factory options compared to more tactical style rifles, and sharper felt recoil due to the lightweight build in heavier calibers. Yet despite these drawbacks, the T3X Lite consistently earns praise for delivering premium performance without unnecessary bulk or complexity, making it a favorite among serious hunters worldwide. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $650 to $900 depending on caliber and configuration, firmly positioning the Tikka T3X Lite as one of the best value lightweight hunting rifles for shooters who prioritize accuracy, reliability, and field-ready performance over flashy features or heavy chassis systems. Number 2, NULA Model 20, is a highly specialized, ultra-lightweight, bolt-action hunting rifle designed by Melvin Forbes for serious mountain and backcountry hunters who prioritize minimal weight without compromising strength or accuracy, built around a proprietary action, carbon fiber stock, and carefully contoured barrel that results in an exceptionally light rifle, often weighing around 5 pounds scoped. Its pros include outstanding accuracy for its weight class, often near 1 MOI, extremely light and well-balanced handling that reduces fatigue on long hunts, excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail, strong action despite minimal mass, and superb field performance where every ounce matters. While its cons include significant recoil in lightweight magnum chamberings, very limited production and availability, minimal adjustability compared to modern chassis rifles, little aftermarket support, and a price point that places it firmly in the premium niche. Yet, despite these limitations, the Model 20 remains one of the most respected lightweight hunting rifles ever made, often considered a benchmark for ultralight rifle design. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $3,000 to $4,500 for used or well-kept examples, with custom or rare configurations commanding even higher prices, making the NULA Model 20 a top-tier choice for experienced hunters who value extreme weight savings, precision engineering, and proven real-world hunting performance over cost or modular features. Number 1. Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT is a high-end lightweight bolt-action hunting rifle engineered for backcountry and mountain hunters who demand maximum strength with minimal weight. Built around a precision-machined action paired with Christensen's signature carbon fiber-wrapped barrel and the advanced FFT flash-forged technology, carbon fiber stock that dramatically reduces weight while maintaining rigidity. Its pros include excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, often at or near sub-MOA, very light overall weight that makes long hikes and steep terrain far less fatiguing, outstanding barrel heat management, smooth bolt operation, modern ergonomics, and strong recoil control for a rifle in the ultralight class. While its cons include a premium price, sharper felt recoil in magnum calibers due to the lightweight build, limited adjustability compared to chassis-style rifles, and less tolerance for high-volume shooting sessions. Yet, despite these drawbacks, the Ridgeline FFT excels in real hunting scenarios where one precise shot matters most and ounces truly count, making it a favorite among serious mountain hunters. And in today's market, the price typically ranges from $2,203 to $200, depending on caliber and configuration, firmly positioning the Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT as a top-tier ultralight hunting rifle that blends cutting-edge materials, accuracy, and field-ready performance. If one of these new kings of hunting rifles just earned a spot at the top of your list, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which rifle you think truly deserves the crown. We break down real performance, real hunters' opinions, and what actually rules the field today. More hard-hitting hunting content coming soon.